Workers and fire crews spent the afternoon responding to a carbon monoxide leak at a Southwest Lubbock hotel. And we have a correction to our report on this story earlier today at 5. Lubbock Fire Rescue evacuated the Hampton Inn & Suites near 56th and Englewood just after noon today. They detected carbon monoxide inside the hotel and tracked the leak down to a ventilation issue in the mechanical room. They cut the power and started the repairs around 1 o'clock. Investigators with the fire marshal's office are working to figure out what caused it. A correction from earlier today: this was not a gas leak. It was an issue with carbon monoxide.